in order for you of Magnolia with us. Coach, congratulations. Talking about bench points last game, that's 16 lang. Tonight, if I'm not mistaken, 59. And ang ganda nung distribution of scoring, halos lahat ng pinasok mo, Coach, score. Just your thoughts on how your players played today, especially before the game you mentioned how you're still struggling on offense.
Yeah, actually, we were struggling offensively, because I always emphasize playing defense in this team, So we got that on our end, the defense. Now we have to fix our offense, we still had decent 15 turnovers, but again. I'm not worried about our point production sa team namin because in any given time, in any given night, every player sa team namin can really score. Just like now, we scored 135. I don't remember sa career ko na as playing also and now coaching scoring 135. So it just showed that are capable kami as a team to score also. But yeah, with the past games kasi I'm really emphasizing the defense. So maybe now we have to combine and pagsamahin namin ng defense to offense. And by doing that, we have to limit our turnovers, which is our problem. Decent today, we only had 15, but we still gave up a lot of offensive rebounds to the other team, and that's one of the concern also.
And now we open the floor to questions na the media.
Coach, Coach, ito lang, important lang yung panalo tonight, coming off that loss against Rangers the last time.
Well, I challenged my players. I challenged the team that it's a test of character for us in today's game, and how we bounce back for that kind of loss. It was a big blow for us. It was a big loss for us, and dito namin makikita na so far it's a do or die game sa amin na every game. Dito natin makikita kung gaano kami to have that sense of urgency and to have that really focus and discipline sa lahat ng ginagawa namin. Lahat ng mga pinagandaan namin for the past conferences, ito na yun Ito yung kailangan namin ilabas yun lahat. So, yeah, it's a good win for us. This is a big win for us. But, again, hindi pa dito natatapos, and we really have to we can be happy today, but tomorrow we have to focus on our next game because it's like every game is a playoff game for us.
Question lang for Abi. Kamusta lang yung feeling na nakapaglaro ka ulit ng ganito maganda after a very long while?
Okay naman, nakakamiss, but like what Coach Ali said, anyone can really contribute at any given game, and it's just all about being ready for the opportunity. I know it's tough, like playing behind Mark and Paul. Those are two future legend players. So, like on my end, I'm just trying my best to absorb what I can learn from them, and then hopefully, when it'll be my turn, hope I can reciprocate and do exactly the same thing to what they're doing in this team.
Coach, kasi parang tonight, parang merong conscious effort pa on your part to try to utilize as many players as you can. Parang at this point pa, nakukuha mo na rin yung rotation na gusto mo with this team?
Yes, actually, medyo nakukuha ko na yung tamang timpla dito sa team na to, especially kasi, the hardest part of being a coach, I just realized is, sobrang daming talent ngayon, especially sa team namin, just like now, obviously, anybody can score, anybody can contribute defense and offense, but we really just have to find ways how to utilize them in every game, So, mahirap, but it's a good problem for me, And what I like about my players right now is the fact that they're always ready and they're buying into that system, and they're buying to that responsibility and ang tawag dito yung kanilang role ng bawat isa, Siyempre hindi naman natin Hindi naman pwede lahat magkaroon ng bola, hindi pwede lahat makashoot, di ba? So, it's just a matter of them doing, every time they're on the court, they have to do something positive for the team, whether it's offense or on defense. And that's what I like in this team because nakukuha na rin nila yung ganung role. No? It's hard. I mean, as a player, ramdam ko rin naman yan eh. Naramdaman ko din yan. It's hard. But, we really just have to find ways how to get the right mix and yung unti-unti makuha rin ng mga players yung role nila. And tonight it's Javi's turn. It's Javi's turn and hopefully it's not always Javi. I mean, 'di ba? Sana si Javi and then iba naman, 'di ba? Yun yung maganda eh, 'di ba? Contribution ng bawat team. Oo.
Coach, with the way things are going, mukhang lalabanan kayo ng San Miguel First sa final, hindi po last in the quarterfinals. Within yourselves pa, napag-uusapan niyo ba yun, yung race na yun, yung kalaban nyo, kalaban ng San Miguel at kalaban ng Converse, yung gano'n?
Yes, actually I always remind the team that every game now is very important. But the good news is we still control our own destiny. Kaya ba namin kontrolin? Basta we just have to take care of every game. Let's see what will happen in the end of the eliminations. As long as we take care of our last two, which is, medyo mabigat talaga eh. Meralco and Talk and Tech. So, but again, I'm confident with my team. I believe in my team that as long as we keep on fighting towards the end, then and mabigyan kami ng chance toward the end of the game, we can overcome these big teams.
Happy, si Juan, nasa Converse, napag-usapan niyo ba yung laban natin for the playoffs recently? And kamusta naman yun?
Yes, I think we're both aware about the situation, and obviously I'd like to, for us to secure that top 8, and then as a brothers girl, I'd also be happy if they make it too, and both of us. I mean, why not, diba? So, but it'll be. I wonder how it'll go at the end of the conference. But for us, we just have to focus on our next game and the 2 games, so that we don't have to rely on the team standings and their remaining games.
That wraps up our post-game press conference.